Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allah's name Al-Mutakabbir. Its English meaning and its explanation. Al-Mutakabbir. The English meaning is the superb. Its explanation. He is the King, the All-Holy, the All-Peaceable, the All-Faithful, the All-Preserver, the Almighty, the All-Compeller, the All-Sublime. 59 Surah 23 Ayat. Allah has all pride and glory. He is beyond need and is without imperfection. He is beyond the qualities of what He has created. Glory be His in the heavens and on the earth. 45 Surah 37 Ayat. Pride and exclusively godly attribute must never be claimed by human beings. Allah hates proud people who elevate themselves above others. Allah does not love any man who is proud and boastful. 57 Surah 23 Ayat. Pride and glory are my garments. Whoever claims them, I torture him. Muslim. Shareef. Punishment for pride in this life is spiritual blindness. I shall turn away from my signs the arrogant and the unjust, so that even if they see every sign, they will not believe in it. 7 Surah 146 Ayat. And in the hereafter they will be thrown into hell. Shall I tell you about the people of hell? Every harsh, niggardly, and proud man. Al-Bukhari, Muslim, Shareef. The prophet, peace be upon him, said, "He who has in his heart the weight of an ant of pride will not enter paradise." A man then asked, "What if one likes to dress well?" The prophet, peace be upon him, replied, "Truly Allah is beautiful and He loves beauty. Pride is to deny the truth and despise people." Muslim Shareef. Yet to His good servants, Allah is kind and loving. Whoever comes to me walking, I come to him running. Al-Bukhari Shareef. Allah Hafiz. Please listen, subscribe and like.